The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Wichita, Texas, until 5:45 Central Daylight Time. At 5:12 Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a funnel cloud near New Cambria, or 7 miles east of Salina. A tornado may develop at any time. Doppler radar showed this dangerous storm moving north at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include New Cambria. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.